Today we're going to look at how to refund a payment to a patient. We've gone through the steps already of charging the patient. So charging the patient requires us to go into the patient's chart and to levy fees against the patient. So if I go here, you can see that we have our two encounters here where we've gone ahead and filled out the fee sheet. And if you're unfamiliar with the fee sheet, we'll do another video on that. But this is also version 7 of OpenEMR. So if I go to my fee sheet, you can see where I've placed in charges for this patient. Now we go to the fees and then payment screen. This is where you can accept the payment for the patient. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to accept a $45 payment for this patient. And we're going to go ahead and generate an invoice. Sorry, oops, caught me. Let me go back up here and tell us a credit card payment, and then go ahead and accept the payment. And it's going to ask me, do I want to do that? I'm going to tell it yes, and so now I've accepted the payment. And if I go back to the payment screen, you can now see $45 payments. That's a balance left of $40. Now let's say we've received this payment in error. We found out the patient didn't need to make the copay of $45 and need to refund the payment. So in order to refund the payment, go to the batch posting or batch payments here, and under batch payments go to search payment. I'm going to put in the payment amount, which is $45, and the paying entity, which is the patient. And if I search for that payment, I should see the payment there for the patient. Click the X out next to the patient's payment to remove it from the system. So go ahead and click here. And it says, would you like to delete this payment? I say yes. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the payment. Now the payment's successfully deleted. If I go back to the patient's record here, you can see where previously there was a $45 copayment paid, and I'm going to reload the screen now, and now that payment has been removed. This is a fictitious patient. This is an empty chart. There are no live data in this recording. Thank you for watching.